So not only was the 90s like massively nostalgic as far as just the fashion all by itself, because Jordan did not put these on court, but your boy Will Smith, he actually made these quite popular. If you want to talk about the perfect definition of a summertime kick, this is your video. What's going on? It is your boy MTIP. That's Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to be impossible. And take a look at these kicks. Now, even though MJ did not wear these kicks on court, I would submit to you that these are a heavy contender against some other popular colorways, such as the Fire Reds and the Black Metallics that y'all loved so much. And here goes a very unpopular opinion. I like these grapes over the Black Metallics. Go ahead and argue with me in the comment section. But let's dive into these, man. So look, the 90s was a vibe. Anybody who's been around, I was born in 1980. So early 90s and 10 years old, right? 1990, I'm 10. Mid 90s, whatever. You can do the math on that. But look, at the end of the day, the 90s itself was a vibe. And during the early 90s, anything bright, I'm talking about, like, no lie, anything bright, it don't matter if it was cross colors as far as the fashion, it don't matter if it was neon green, neon anything bright. I'm telling you right now, man, like that was it. Like that was it. So when I didn't have Timbs on my feet, I was rocking the J's, and the colors were in. Now we've had a couple of different models of this particular kick that came out in 1990, 2006, 2013, and now in 2025. And these grapes does not disappoint. And you want to know what? You want to know what? It was an easy cop. Not only was it an easy cop, however, we've already had multiple restocks. This shoe just came out yesterday, and we've already had multiple restocks. So if you want to cop this kick, man, it is still a possibility for you to grab them. Let's take a look at these joints, man, because look, now number one, what an iconic shoe, right? What an iconic shoe. Does not come with any spare laces, but we are going to dig into this kick. Now, first of all, I am liking the leather on here. It is a good soft leather. Look, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is the leather that y'all really wanted on the white cement 4s. Even though I do personally think the leather on the white cement 4s is better than this softer leather. I think this is what y'all, let me know. I think this is what y'all wanted on the white cement 4s. But take a look at this kick. We have this nice leather. We have that nylon right there on that tongue with that Jumpman. That purple and that teal is tough. It is tough. Take a look at the caging there, the air unit. We have that purple and teal on this predominantly white sneaker with that black trim on the back. And the only thing that black trim shows me, all it shows me is, look, you already know you can get some multiple laces up inside of here, touching every one of these colors. And I love the fact that we have that embroidered Nike Air on the back of this kick. It just takes you right on back to the original 1990 version. Take a look at that bottom, that icy bottom with that white Nike on the bottom there. With the teal Jumpman, kind of with the translucent, going through the bottom. Overall, these joints are fresh, man, and this is a great collection. This shoe right here definitely will welcome the old school sneakerheads, and definitely show some love to the new, because these colors right here are vibrant, for sure. Man, these joints is dope. Let me know if you were able to cop these. Let me know, which ones do you actually like better? Do you like the Black Metallics or the Grape 5s? Me personally, I'm personally going with the Grapes. These retail for $215. I was able to hit a double up actually on these, but I did not pick up the other pair from my guy Jay Elevate. Hit EA on JD Sports, and then I also hit a raffle at Foot Locker. Lies. Shoe Palace. And these were not a hard cop. Let me know if you was able to cop this kick, because these joints are absolute fire. Let me know what your favorite lace swap is as well. What is your favorite lace swap? Everything about this, we got that teal inside. Man, everything about this is absolutely dope. Man, happy Sunday.